Hello folks, today we're going to be making cornflake peanut butter chews. Quick and simple recipe, and it's good. Let's get started. This recipe don't take a whole lot. You'll need a cup of sugar, a cup of corn syrup, 1 cup of peanut butter, and 5 cups of cornflakes. Ain't a whole lot there to it, but it's got the flavor in the end. Alright, gonna pour in a cup of sugar and your cup of corn syrup, and then we're just gonna turn the heat up on it there. Now as soon as it starts boiling, we're gonna take it off the heat. Alright, just keep stirring it there. It'll start boiling here in just a minute, and then we're going to take it off the heat. Alrighty, putting in our cup of peanut butter. Just stir that in, mix it all up good. Then as soon as you get done doing that there, we're going to add 5 cups of cornflakes. There it goes. Now just give that a good stir until it's all the cornflakes coated there. And that's all we got to do, folks. Now how easy is that? Alrighty, now wax paper, parchment paper, either one. Just spoon out however big pieces you like. And then we'll just let them sit there and set up. Carolyn said years ago, the elementary school she went to, the lunch ladies would make these. There, look at there, how pretty those are. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. If you think your friends may like this, let them know about us. Y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching.